What's up YouTube, Mike here again, and today I wanted to do a video on how to do a screen recording of your Android device, whether it be a tablet or a phone. This app works, and it works well. It's a really stable app. It's called Easy Recorder, and this is what the settings look like once you open it up. So we'll start from the top. So use magic button. This is nothing more than a you hit it, it puts an invisible button somewhere on the screen so you can do all your different options. Your resolution, you've got lots of options here. You can go all the way down to 320 by 240 and all the way up to 1920 by 1080. Also, you got your frame rate. You can change that all the way up to 60 frames per second if you so desire. Bit rate, you can set that. I got auto. Orientation is auto. You can record your audio like I'm doing right now. Show touches, which is another neat feature I like. You can actually also draw on this, which I'll show you in a moment. And if you want, you can even show the camera. So if you want to show the front camera, it'll show you on top of whatever screen you are recording. And that's pretty much it for the options. You can also pick your output to directory. In this case, I'm using an external SD card, so you're not filling up the storage of your device. So let's go outside and show you what the app looks like. Like I said, this is AZ Screen Recorder. It is a completely free app, which is awesome. But in order to enable a couple of the features, like being able to show you where I touch on the screen and to draw on the screen, they ask for a donation for the Pro version. So it ends up being $3. I highly recommend it. So like right now, if I want to swipe down from the top, you see the recording controls where I can pause this, I can stop this, or I can draw. So this is really awesome if you're doing some kind of app demo and you can draw on the screen, you know, whatever you want, draw an arrow. And if you want to direct their attention to it, and the same thing with the ability to touch. So as you see, there's a little palette on the left, so I'm just going to delete that drawing. But it works awesome. Like I said, if you can see where I'm touching on the screen. So this is awesome if you want to do a demo of any kind of app, and you're unlimited. You're only limited by your memory on how long you want to do a screen recording for. But like I said, this is a awesome app. It's extremely stable. Unfortunately, on iOS there are options, but they're not necessarily approved apps, so they crash all the time. They're not very reliable. Whereas on Android, this app is extremely reliable. I like it quite a bit, and it just works. So as you can see, it's showing everything on my screen, and if you so desire, you can even demo games. So let's see. And right now I'm running this on a Galaxy Tab A 9.7, so this is about as low spec as you can get, but it's running it just fine. And we'll try opening Asphalt 8. I'm going to turn the sound down. But I have not run this game for a while, so we'll see. And like I said, this is a Galaxy Tab A 9.7, not the top of the line by any means, but it works. And as you can see, I am able to record. Try and get this started real quick. So let's do this so I can show you. I guess there was no way to mute the sound while I'm doing the screen recorder for this, so hopefully it's not too overwhelming. But there you go. I just wanted to show you that real quick so you can see that it does indeed work. So you can use this if you want to screen record anything on your phone. So with that, that was just a quick look at AZ Screen Recorder. It's super easy to use. You get it from the Google Play Store, and it is completely free. So I highly recommend it. So as always, if that helped you, give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks.